Hello everyone, we from group of 12 will present about housekeeping department. Group members first Karisma Windu Prabowo, Rosa Anissa Hapsari, Nathanael Agung.
Housekeeping's definition. Housekeeping is an operational department in a hotel which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas, and the surroundings. The housekeeping department not only turnarounds, prepares, and clean guest rooms on a timely manner, it also cleans and maintains everything in the hotel. Housekeeping tools. Housekeeping tools divided into 8 parts with its container, broom, brush, linen protector, machines, or sporting and other. There are some tools in the container. There are trolley attendants, buckets, bottle sprayer, dustpan, container bin, carry caddy, rubbish bin, rubbish bag. There are some tools in the broom and brush. There are floor broom, coconut broom, sailing broom, hand broom, floor broom, hand brush, toilet bowl brush, steel brush. There are some tools in the linen. There are wall duster, dust cloth, cotton cloth, floor cloth, hair mop, labi duster. There are some tools in the protect part. There are hand gloves, safety shoes, safety belt, caution belt, floor, safety goggles, masks, life jacket, safety helmet. There are some tools in the machine. There are vacuum cleaner, wet and dry vacuum, shampooing carpet, polishing floor, blower, scrubbing floor, carpet master, iron steam. There are some tools in the supporting and other. There are trolley attendants, telescopic stick, floor squeezer, Scott Brite, bar sponge, chamois, mop ranger, dry mop, window squeezer or window wiper. Housekeeping forms. First, room attendant control sheet is a form to record the use of tools, gas, equipment, and linen used by the room attendant when cleaning the room. Lots and found forms is a form created by the supervisor regarding the discovery of guest belongings. Room status report is a form used to record and report room status.
Housekeeping report is a room status report as a housekeeping office file. And next, loss and damage report is a form to record and report items or room equipment that are lost, damaged, or brought by guests, or damaged by the room attendant itself. Items that are usually damaged are high glass, soap dish, notepad holder, and amenities tray. Next is repair and maintenance report. It's a form to report and notify the engineering department of repair requests because of damaged equipment in room, such as kettle that doesn't work optimally, a television with a backlight, or a LED headboard that doesn't work well. And next is an inventory form. Inventory form is a form used to record and control guest equipment and housekeeping, which includes linen, includes bed protector, pillow protector, bolster protector, and inner duvet. Next is gas supplies. Cleaning supplies includes vacuum cleaner, employees' uniform, baby coat and extra bed, and gas loan items. And next is laundry list. Laundry list is a form containing information about the amount and type of gas laundry to be laundered, which was made with the aim of simplifying the work of the laundry worker and maintaining the safety of the laundry being laundered. Housekeeping logbook. Housekeeping logbook is a notebook regarding report from shift 1 to the next shift, useful for conveying problems or work that has been complete. This book is usually written by undertakers and floor supervisor in morning shift, and will be continued by undertakers, floor supervisor, and room boy in evening shift. Gas loan item is a guest request form to borrow an item from housekeeping because the guest didn't bring the item. For example, iron and iron board, plug adapter, Islam praying items, hair dryer, and so on. The borrowing of those items mentioned above is free, but there is certain requirements including limit time for borrowing the items, replacing it if the items is damaged or lost. And last is minibar bill. Minibar bill is a form that used to record the number of drinks and snacks, and then the prices will be billed to guests. And now let's move on. Number 3, room attendant. The first one is room attendant's job description. According to Scheidt, room attendant is a position that is responsible for cleanliness, tidiness, beauty, and comfort of guest rooms, guest living rooms, and bathroom guests while the guest is at hotel.
Housekeeping products goods placed divided into two types by goods placed in living room, D&D signing and make-up sleep hanger, laundry bag, laundry list, safety deposit box, complimentary t-shirt, minibar sheet with mini refrigerator, ashtray and matches, deck sheet and pen sheet, a notebook, letterhead, envelope goods, common hotel postcard, memo pad and pencil, linen chain card, telephone books. Definition and tool is an operational department in hotel that have responsibility to handle the maintenance of the swimming pool and its equipment and provide service to guests who need equipment for swimming. Next, definition and tool is an operational department in hotel that have responsibility to provide guest laundry and hotel uniform, linen washing service, wash laundry and laundry section with max VX is machine laundry, washing machine, excavator, drying tumbler, pressure, street press unit, cotton diamond press unit, flat board runner, hand. Thank you.